In this lesson we're going to work some more equations, but this time we're going to look at multiplying something times both sides of the equation. Oh, there's Hilbert here in his little flying saucer. Let's see what he's up to. He's going into the distance there, and he's dropping off something for us. Bet it's a problem. Okay, so we have x over 3 equals 6. Now, in this lesson, what we would need to do is take a look at that denominator, 3. If you multiply 3 times both sides of this equation, it will cause the 3's to drop out on the left-hand side, leaving x, and on the right-hand side, you'll get 18. So that's going to be our strategy in this lesson. So let's take that 12 that's underneath the y and multiply that times both sides, and then that will cause the 12's to cancel out, leaving a y on the left hand side by itself, and then 9 times 12 should just be 108. Okay, our next problem here, there's Hilbert again, dropping off another problem. So as it comes out to us, a over 2.3 equals 11. Now, we have decimals to deal with here. Multiply 2.3 times both sides. And on the left-hand side, you're just going to get a. But on the right-hand side, when you multiply 11 times 2.3, make sure that you move the decimal point one place to the left in your final answer there. And so we should get 25.3 as our answer, because there was one digit to the right of the decimal point on that one number. This one here, let's multiply 0.09 times both sides. In the left hand side, we'll just get a. Now on the right hand side, notice that 0.09, 2 digits to the right of the decimal point. So when we have 2 digits represented to the right of the decimal point, so we have to move 2 digits to the left to get our answer, which is 7.29. Well, here comes Euclid. I wonder what he's up to. I better get out of the way. He has a problem on his side. b over 3.7 equals 0.8. Now, multiply 3.7 times both sides. Now, look at the right-hand side. You're going to have 2 decimal points represented there, places represented there, so you have to move 2 places to the left in your final answer. You'll get 2.96. Now, in this problem here, we got a little bit of a problem with the right-hand side there. Let's change that mixed number to improper fraction, so we get 35 over 8. Now, let's look at the denominators, 16 and 8. What's the smallest number that both 16 and 8 will divide into? It's 16. So take the 16 and multiply it times both sides, and on the left-hand side you'll get just an x, and on the right-hand side that 8 divides into 16 2 times, and then you'll get 70 as your solution to this problem here. This problem, what's the smallest number that both 4 and 3 will divide into evenly? It's 12. So let's take and multiply 12 times both sides, and then on the left hand side we can divide 4 into 12, goes 3 times, and then the 3 goes into the 12 on the right hand side 4 times. So we'll get 3x equals 32. Now we got to solve for x, so we need another step in here. Let's take the coefficient of x, which is 3, divide that into both sides, and then the left hand side will just become x, and the right hand side will become 10 2/3. Whoops. Thanks.